I'm Tony Fleming, and this is Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on what is arguably one of my favorite cars in the entire world. If you've never owned one of these cars, they are spectacular. They have a feeling that no other car gives you. It's very much like a 911. A Porsche 911 gives you a feeling, a muscle car gives you a feeling, but these in particular have a quality and a build that's like, I don't know, kind of carved from one piece. What I thought we'd do today is we're going to go over the simple fact these are hand built. They have incredible paint on them. They have incredible interiors. They have style that the British just know how to do style. And people say, well, the Italians, man, they know how to do style. And I say, yes, agreed. However, the British have Rolls-Royce. The British have Bentley. The British have Jaguar. They have Aston Martin. I mean, they are serious designers of cars, and clearly this fits in that mold as well. We're going to talk about all the features that come on the car. Maybe you'll learn a couple new things about it as well. We're going to go over the quality of this car in particular, because I think it's really representative of a wonderful, wonderful car. Then we're going to go on a test drive, have some fun. We're going to mess up our hair a little bit. We're going to have a great time today, and thanks for joining. All right, so why is this car so good looking? Well, a lot of times people say, hey, Tone, that is a great looking car, but we don't really know why it's a great looking car. I want to point out some of those things. For instance, in the case of the bumper here, all of this here, this is a hard style bumper. So it's beautifully molded and it's able to go around edges and things like that maybe a urethane bumper couldn't do. The jeweled lights that are in here, this fabulous grille. To open the hood, you push the B here and that pops, once you don't release it, that pops up. And that's the secondary catch to it. All these little tiny touches. For instance, these giant 19-inch wheels. Well, they're 19-inch wheels for a reason, because the 18-inch wheel, the big brakes that are on this car, bigger than most any other car that's out there, 6-piston calipers, right, wouldn't fit inside the 18-inch wheel. So they had to start with a base wheel of just 19 just to get started to fit all that in there. And a great looking wheel, right? This is a 2009. This is 2025. We're doing this video, and this car is still gorgeous. Hand painted in, I don't want to butcher the word, the name of it, but it's Cumbrian paint. I like it to say maybe as close to British racing green as possible, right? With the cognac interior, it's spectacular. Come on up here, but I want you to, before you look at this paint, I want you to look in the paint, don't look at the paint. And what I mean by that is, let's look at what you see in the paint, meaning the ceiling, the lights, and all that good stuff. And as well as read the font on here and see how crystal clear everything is, the words, the picture, the ceiling, all that stuff. That gives you an idea of how great this paint is. All right, so maybe you're not going to spend a lot of time under the hood, but I'd like to show off some of what's here because so much effort was put into it, right? Okay. This is beautiful. I want to show you something that's very interesting, for instance. Most luxury cars, right, have really long hoods. You look at a Maserati Gran Turismo, really long hood. Rolls-Royce, really long hood, right? This is a 12-cylinder. However, this 12-cylinder is a compact 12-cylinder, and it's kind of cool. This is how big the engine is. Typically, the engine would be 6 cylinders this way, 6 cylinders this way. But what they do is they stagger the cylinders together, making this compact design, twin turbos, 500 plus horsepower to start out with, okay? And then lastly, a lot of people don't know this too, is that these cars are all-wheel drive. Most people don't know that these GTCs are all-wheel drive, which makes it a great all-season car. And then inside here, I'm looking for things when I buy a car. I'm looking for these details. Here's what I want to talk about. I'm looking for these original kind of stickers that are on here. Stickers you can't buy anymore. Why is that important? Well, if this car was in an accident and these panels have been replaced, the stickers wouldn't be there anymore. They would be gone. And so you look around here and you look how beautiful everything still is. You can tell how loved this car is, probably a third or fourth car for somebody. Fabulous. They replaced the filters in here. It's had oil change done. It is serviced and it is ready to go. All right, so the styling of these cars has held up really well. I mean, this is a luxury car. It looks every bit of luxury, from the LED taillights to the polished giant chrome exhaust tips that are back here, the styling that's all been done. This is all leather as well. Also, a couple nice things too. These are roll bars that are built in. So if the car was to tilt either way, these would pop up, giving you some protection here instead of just having nothing there to do, which I think is really nice. other things too is the trunk on these is fitted the way it should be. Every piece of it carpeted with beading on the side of it. It also has storage compartments on the side. It has tie downs in here. It fits golf clubs. It's insulated. Its luggage. It comes with 3 sets of tags. It has another painted front tag here. It comes with a set of Bentley tags with frames, and also too the very expensive wind blocker that would go in between that. That would go there, and that can stay inside the car too, and it folds down in the back seat when you're not using it if you don't want to. You don't have to use up the trunk to use any of that there. And just that beautiful sound of a solid, heavy-duty trunk. This car really is spectacular when you walk up to it, but the great news is you get to see the outside every once in a while, but you can spend most of your time inside. A couple of other nice features that we didn't talk about earlier is soft closed doors, right? And so I don't know about you, but it makes me crazy when someone gets in the other door and they slam the door knowing that over time that makes windows rattle and things like that. This is nice because they come with soft closed doors, easy to do it, just nice. All right, so come join me inside for a second. This is luxury. All right, let's talk about what full leather interior means in a car, because many people don't know what that means. So a lot of times people say, oh, Tony, that's full leather. So all the seats and the backs and everything are leather? Yes, however, so is the dash. So is this surround sound. So are the visors. So is this piece here. So is the sides of the console, the steering wheel, the door panels, a full leather interior. These are custom made, done by a group of people, picked different styles of hides, all grown in a certain place so that they don't have nicks in them, and you get this beautiful matched leather, this matched wood grain dash that goes along here, and these great chrome trim knobs that are going on. You have audio systems, upgraded suspension systems, memory seats, keyless entry, all of the things that make for just a I just can't explain it to you until you own and drive one of these cars. The weight and feel of this car and the power that it makes and the all-wheel drive, there is a luxury that's just amazing. One-touch tops that go up and down. You don't have to do anything to get out or unlatch anything. It's just one button. And when you hit that key and it fires up, I don't know what the starter motor is made of, but it sounds just like a jet engine that's getting ready to start, and it sounds fabulous when it goes down the road. These make such a great sound when they start. It's like hitting a fighter button. Fighter jet. So we're on a windy road. This could be an English windy road, except we're on the wrong side of the road. However, driving an English car on an American road in the country, and I just tell you that going for a drive in this car, it handles well. I just clicked it into sport mode, which gives us 2 different styles of cars, right? Gives us a sporty car, knowing we have a 500-ish horsepower. You give it a little gas and you are gone. Like, look at it eat up the road in seconds. Giant brakes, big footprint of tires, and so much fun. And on top of it, then if you want to, maybe you decide that you want to get on the phone and talk to some friends and what have you, and it just goes luxuriously around anywhere you want to go. All right, so now we're on the country road and just going for a drive to relax today, right? I feel better already. You riding with me? We're taking a nice windy trip through here. We got out of work for a little while. You say, well, Tony, you got the greatest job in the world, and you're absolutely right. I do have the greatest job in the world. However, every job is a job in some sense or whatever, and when you can get a break from it once in a while, like this is a game changer. It's good for you. It's good for me. It's good for anybody who has a cool car like this that can get out and go for a drive or go for a ride on a Sunday or what have you. You might find that you could ditch your therapist. Maybe you get rid of your therapist and now this car's free. Just throwing that out there. Probably not so much, no. Everybody needs a therapist. All right, so that is our ride for today. Thanks again for getting me out of here. We're doing some more windy roads. We're enjoying this incredible weather today. And I say even in the cold of winter, you throw the top down, put the heated seats on and the heat on, and enjoy this amazing Bentley GTC. All right, don't forget to hit the like button down below. That helps get our message out, and I really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel. We got new stuff coming out all the time. And maybe share it with your friends. They see something they might like as well. And I'll see you on the next test drive. See ya. Bye. Was that a great test drive or what? I told you this. First off, the power and the handling that this vehicle has when you wanted to do that is amazing. Secondly, it's a totally different car if you just want to eat up the highway and drive hundreds of miles to wherever you want to go. It does that in spades. I mean, it is really a world-class automobile. I get so excited talking about these cars because I know how wonderful, wonderful, wonderful they are. Anyway, if you've never got an opportunity to own one, this is the best way to buy one. When a new one starts at like $375 to $425, these are stunning still. They are priced well. The mileage is low. It's serviced. It's ready to go, and it is fabulous. Anyway, we need to find a way to get this in your garage.